Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Millions of dollars. That's how much money some customers owe the National Water Commission after years of non-payment.
Now, this was revealed as hundreds of Jamaicans sign up for the Commission's 90-day amnesty.
Kelisha Williams has the story.
The National Water Commission's head office on Maresca Road, St. Andrew, was buzzing with activities Monday morning. Many of these people have been here for hours, some irate as they wait to take advantage of the NWC's 90-day amnesty.
Some people have to say everything I got clear up on them start back from zero. But we're willing to give them some money because them say them water use.
Ian Lawrence was trying to clear a bill for over $1.5 million. He said he's paying it on behalf of his cousin, who owns a property in the inner city where the water has been disconnected for over 10 years. But how did they allow the water bill to get so high?
You know, like inner city, like red zone, like tenement can't live free. Some my cousin what want to migrate now and them try. Should be off if you can go with the light, but you can't go with the water. So I try doing best to get that out of the way back to basic.
Then there are customers like Laurel Fraser, who told us that she always paid her bills. However, after falling on hard times, it was a struggle. Now she has been without the commodity for years and owes the NWC over $400,000.
So as I was speaking to the lady a while ago, and she said, well, it's from 23 to 24 that you have to pay. Well, I am willing to make an agreement with them to pay my water. You see, because before it locked up, it's me used to pay it. And then I used to sell over the arcade downtown there, so Thursday and Monday. But things get so bad.
The 90-day amnesty has two components. Pensioners who have been disconnected from the NWC for over 2 years will have their debt written off entirely and reconnected completely free. And other Jamaicans who have been disconnected for over 6 months will get 50% off their debt forgiven and a 12-month payment plan for the balance. This resident who wished to remain unidentified told us she's grateful for the amnesty, but she has a far way to go. While she owes over $120,000, she was only able to pay $10,000 on Monday.
Then me have my mother sick and everything. Me have it hard. You understand? And I rent and I say, thing me very hard.
And you're working, you have an income?
Me not work, me not have no income. Guess what? No, me used to do little work. Me used to work before. But from the lower back, me can't work.
Other customers were adamant that their water has been disconnected for years, but they are still receiving bills from the NWC.
If I leave here, my children, everybody go. No one was in my house. No water was using in my house. I didn't have a water connection with WASA, right? So when I come back the 4th of February 24 now, right? I come down here for query a bill, query it out and say if I owe them. So this is what they give me. A bill for $474,170.
And despite several trips to the NWC, nothing has been done. So today he's hoping for some redress.
Yeah, and they said they would call me. All the time they said they would call me. They never called me one time. One thing I said they do, they said they would send somebody come check the property, and they do that.
Which is why Mr. Satchel believes the Commission should revise its billing system as they continue the 90-day amnesty. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
In the meantime,